Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back in Virginia with a update on our 3-unit property. So it is hot. It is like 95 degrees. So if we start sweating, just, forgive us because we want to make sure we get this content to you guys. So we're gonna be doing a tour, showing you guys authentically what the house looks like. How long has it been since the last update?
It's been like 2 months.
Okay, so 2 months, what we got done in 2 months, we got a lot done. We're almost ready to put tenants in here. So Aaron is gonna go through the house and give you guys a full tour of what's going on. So
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way.
So we are upstairs in the 2-bedroom, and this is the biggest unit in the triplex. So I'll have Aaron show you guys what we've got done so far. Give you guys a quick recap if you haven't seen our previous video. This is what the unit looked like before it was completely gutted out and completely bare. So this is where we started from.
Last time we did a video in this unit, it did not have any walls, it did not have any flooring, none of that stuff was done. So we got the flooring put in, we got drywall, we have paint, we have the granite countertops, the cabinets are in, the appliances are in. So we're almost there. We have to do a little bit more updates. We have to get the HVAC units put in as a final thing, and then we have to get some plumbing stuff as a final. And I'll show you what I mean by plumbing here. So this is the bathroom.
I love the bathroom, y'all. This bathroom is so nice. Look at this.
So this is the bathroom. We got tile all throughout the floors, tile from all the way to the ceiling over the tubs. They still have to finish the plumbing fixtures here. Still have to connect plumbing with the vanity, and then they have to put in the toilet and paint. But it's pretty much almost done. So it looks a lot better than the last time we were here.
Yes, and I like the paint colors. Tell them what paint colors, what type of floors we got.
Yeah, so the paint color, I think it's agreeable gray. We pretty much use that for all of our units. And then we use LPV laminate floors with that are waterproof. These usually, they're a little bit more money per square foot, but they last a long time. So, they're really good quality floors. When you have tenants that don't necessarily care about what you guys have going on, that they don't own it, they don't really care about getting them wet and, making sure that they'll last long. So we have to get something that's decent.
And let me just show you guys what the space looks like. This is the living room. It is big. Do you know how many square feet this one is?
The total unit, I want to say, is around like 1,200 square feet.
Yeah, this is bigger than any apartment that I ever lived in before I purchased a home. So this is really, really big. It looks really nice. So they've done a really good job so far. You'll see some people working. So we're gonna go ahead to the next bedroom. So this is the master.
We call it primary now.
Oh, it's called the primary. You guys know why it's called the primary, right? But this is the master. Pretty basic. We have carpet on the floor, and we have recessed lighting throughout the whole house. So I really like that. And then you guys remember this one came with another room. So show them the other room, Aaron.
Yeah, this is the room that we talked about in the first video. Call it a crib room because the room is really small, but it's really made for like a baby. We have a closet.
But this room gets so
for
much sunlight. This whole space gets a lot of sunlight.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good investment.
All right, so we're gonna take you guys downstairs to the next unit.
So this is another one of the units. This is a smaller unit than the one upstairs. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. I'm gonna show y'all. We're sitting in the living room right now. I'll show y'all the bedroom. It may be a little dark.
Yeah, we still have to get the electricity turned on, so
Yeah.
it might be a little bit dark in this unit and in the next unit.
This is the bathroom right here. Same thing in here, towel, same towel. Still in the floor. And we got a closet over there. Again, this is a really small unit.
So this is the full bedroom. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view. Closet right there. All right.
So, and then this is the kitchen. Really small kitchen.
So the fridge, they have to put the fridge in. The fridge is gonna go back there.
Yeah.
And then you have your sink. And you have your microwave and stove. So let's go ahead and show them the other unit.
All right, so this is the third unit. This is actually the back of it, but they can actually park on this back street and walk in from this way. So I'm gonna walk in and show you. It just got painted so you can smell it.
It smells new, like a new place.
See the kitchen layout. I like this unit better because of the kitchen layout and it's open. It has a washer and dryer stackable can go in there, along with the water heater. And that's wet paint. And then I'll show you the bedroom. This bedroom is pretty big. The bedroom here. This one is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom
This
as well.
bedroom is huge.
It is nice. And it actually has double closets too.
Sometimes when we're doing it, the contractor tells us the vision of how he plans to make the room, because it's just a big open space, as you guys seen in the last video. But when it's done and we come back and see the updates, it just looks so bit different. I don't remember this bedroom being this big last time.
Yeah, it's a really small bathroom. But same thing, towel. You know, they did the painting.
All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. I know you guys, a lot of y'all came here from Instagram, so thank you so much for the love and support. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. We'll be doing updates on this unit. We'll be doing some videos on how to get tenants, and also the value of the home after everything is done. So we'll talk about that in future videos. If you guys have any questions specifically about this house, let us know down in the comments, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.